Welcome to 16763 Pinata Drive in San Diego. It is the Seven Oaks neighborhood, 55 plus community. This is a beautifully redone home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This one has a single car garage, and it's 1,558 square feet, and it's on the market with all these lovely roses and a completely redone front yard for $135,000. So come on in. Look at this. Luxury plank vinyl. Obviously, it's been staged. Oh, I thought I turned that light on. I'll do that again. Beautiful kitchen. Gas range. I mean, folks, look at that, guys. Under counter sink there. Quartz countertops there. And up here. Dining room. Yeah, everything's LED. Cute little kind of extra sitting area here. You know, if you wanted to put a hide-a-bed in here for company to come, that would be fine. This little area here is cute. It is set up as an office right now. You could make this into it's got lots of light. It could be a yoga room. It could be a meditation room. It could be a place to just escape. Throw some panels on these beautiful doors and get yourself and make it into a cozy nook. You could make it into a wine room if you really wanted to. Kind of a lot of light for that, but that's okay. But here we are, light and bright and airy. Take you out here quickly to the garage. Just to the garage, just for a peek. Just for a peek. Okay, see? You can get a nice car in here. Room for trash cans. New hot water heater. Everything's a coat on that one there. That looks good, guys. Yeah, touch up paint even when you knock up the walls. Hot darn. Sometimes these guys forget. Just leaving the paint for y'all. All right. Anyway, let's go take a look. I want to show you the master bathroom and the master bedroom. I'm going to go down here. Again, beautiful view. Light and bright again. Come through here. I'm going to go to the master bedroom. Look at this. This is nice and light. You got access outside to a great backyard. We're going to show you that in just a minute. And then here is the master bath. Look at the size of that shower, folks. I mean, seriously, you can get lost in that shower, and that's okay. And somebody's going to go, well, Lydia, they didn't finish up, you know, there's no glass. Well, A, you could add glass. B, maybe you just need a portion there. It's entirely up to you. You can put anything you want. You can put rain glass. You can put clear glass. You could put seeded glass. You could put reed glass in there. It would just be gorgeous. And then, and it's not that expensive to do, folks. Don't have a heart attack on me. Then, look at this out here. Now, folks, is that a view or what? Think about the parties you could have out here. The view. It's really, really lovely. And it's quiet. All of a sudden you don't hear anything. And then across the road, within like easy walking distance, like 4 houses away, guys, is the clubhouse with all sorts of activities. I mean, they've got like 60 or 70 clubs to join. That ought to keep you busy. You can't complain about being retired when you got lots of stuff to do, right, folks? All right, I'm gonna come back in here, and then I'm going to make sure I shut myself out here. I'm gonna show you the small second bedroom here. And it's tiny, granted, but this is for a retirement community. It's a 55 plus community. You might have the grandkids coming over for a weekend or something like that. If you're moving down here to be close to the kids. Good lighting here, excellent large mirror, beautiful tub shower combination here. So really, beautiful home, 1,558 square feet. We're gonna be open this Saturday from noon to 4 o'clock. I would love you to come by, check this out. Maybe you know somebody that's looking for a retirement community. Maybe you've got your folks coming in. who want to be close to you and the new grandbaby, something like that. You never know. And at this price, it's a very good price. Love to have you come and see. Thank you so much for coming in again. And welcome to 16763 Pinata.